Hi everybody, I am here with day 6 now. It's time to practice flexibility session along with me. I am sure your mat is ready, you are ready. So what is the delay for? Let's get started. So before we start, I want you to relax your mind and body with one breath, which is our ritual to practice along with me. So you're going to come on the mat, keep your both the legs apart from each other, turn your palm, drop your shoulders down. Get your body completely light and relaxed for a second. Take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Open your eyes. Now keep your legs slightly apart from each other, 1.5 feet distance between both the legs. Now you're going to swing to both the sides. It might look very easy and simple, but then when you practice, you can see your entire upper body sides is going to get pretty activated. So first you see me 2-3 times doing this, then we're going to practice together. Okay. So when you turn to the right side, you're going to turn your left foot also to the right side, lift your heel up, giving that extra space. Same thing happens with other leg too. So with the hands, when you lift your hands up, you're going to lift your hand really free. You're not going to hold yourself back. It's not like lift up and down. Moreover, it's a swing. Up, up, inhale up. Okay. So now you know how to do it. So let us do both the sides 5 to 8 times in just one go. So try to do like slightly faster. Alright. We'll start. 1, change. 1, 2, change. 3, change. Lift, extend. 4, change. 5, change. 6, change. 7, change, the last one. 8, change and relax. Close your eyes. That was quite a nice warm up to start with. Just relax, take a deep breathe in, breathe out. Relax your body, relax your mind. Okay. Once you're ready, once your arms are a little relaxed, let's go for the next one. Now, keep your legs wider. Now, we're going to go to a lower lunge. So, with the lower lunge, how do we give the stretch to our body? So, first we'll do the lower lunge both the sides 3 times, and then we'll continue to have the stretch. Okay. So, for this, you can also bend your knee if you want to. You have to drop your hands a little ahead. This is a one line between both the legs. We are not here, we are here. So now drop your entire body weight down, entire palm down, put a body weight on it, and you're going to turn to the right side. So when you turn, push your body to the right side, you need to keep your toe up and try to give the maximum stretch here. Okay. Other side. Two, just 3 times. Change. The last one and change. Now, once you complete these 3 sets, what you're going to do here, drop your both the hands down, drop your hip down and keep your knee down. This is pretty simple. So, from here you just dropped your hip down and pushed your knee inside. So, now just you are on the floor and your entire lower body is touching the ground right now. So, you are going to take your right hand and try to push your upper body towards your right side. Try to hold either your knee or your ankle or your big toe. So, if you can do that comfortably, you can hold your leg from your both the hands. Stay here. 3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath in. Now, with deep breath out, try to extend how much ever you can and come back to center. Right leg is extended. That means I am going to keep my right hand on the left knee. Left hand goes behind. Try to give a spine straight and look outside. Give a mild stretch. Breathe in, breathe out. come back to center, same thing the other side. Keep your one hand on the knee, one hand behind, center. So now the same position we should try with the other side. So what we are going to do now, so we are going to take a help of both the hands, come on your toe, try pushing your entire body weight down, from here shift it to the other side. If it is like very confusing, what you can do is just like keep your both the legs here and just bend your one leg. It is going to be one and the same. So just try to see whichever way you can do it better. So once you are here, try to hold your big toe either with one hand, if you are comfortable, both the hands, or you can also be here, wherever, that does not matter. Just try and hold. Breathe in, breathe out. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now before you leave, you are going to take a deep breath in and breath out, extend your body completely, lift your body up, come back to center. First opposite side twist, my left leg is outside, that means I am going to keep my left hand on the right knee, one hand goes behind, give a twist. Keep your spine straight, look outside. Now the other side. Continue to breathe long and try to feel the stretch and a twist. Come back to center. So now from here, adjusting your body a little, try to keep your both the legs open. Okay, keep your both the legs wide. We are just going to do a chakki chalan. Clockwise 5 times, anti-clockwise 5 times. Hold your hands, turn towards your right side, extend your body and take your hands forward and center. Try not to go super fast, try to go slowly so that you can feel the stretches which you are experiencing right now. 3, exhale, 4, exhale, 5, same thing opposite side, 1, 2, continue, 3, try to get closer to the floor if possible, 4, the last one, 5, come back to center. Now you are going to turn towards your left foot, keep your both the hands next to the leg, turn your head and chest towards it, lift your right hand up. So it is going to be opposite hand and opposite leg. Exhale, tap. 1, we are going to do this 5 counts, 2, 3, 4 and 5, center. Let us try the same thing other side. Left leg up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep your hand in between both the legs now. If you think it's already your spine is rounded and you're finding it too hard to manage here, that's okay. You don't have to force yourself, try how much ever you can and be here. In case if you're able to move a little ahead into deeper movement, then slowly take your hands one step ahead and see. Try to understand what is the flexibility you have today. If you can go ahead, then continue one more step. Breath in, breath out, one more step. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out, try to drop your head down if you can. And slowly come back to center. So the reason I went so deep and dropped my head down, just to tell you that flexibility is something which you can gain at any point of time. It just need practice. So if you can't do it today, it doesn't mean that you cannot tomorrow. But just because you can't do today, you cannot give up. So keep practicing and make sure that you put your effort into something and you will get the results. So once you are done with this, you're going to cross your both the legs. Now when you cross your leg inside, you can feel quite a tightness in your both the legs because of that stretch, but that's going to be fine. So once you are in Sukhasana, you're going to extend your both the hands, just drop your elbows down. Breathe in, breathe out, hold. If you want, you can go deeper also, but I would prefer staying here. You can also go ahead, just try to close your eyes for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back to center. If you want to make it better, I always say in this entire series, practice these videos 2 times. If you have any doubts, you can drop it in a comment box. So I'll see you tomorrow. Till then, keep practicing and stay healthy.